loves, in today's video I will be trying out the Sensationail Iridescent Unicorn Chrome Powder Kit. I purchased the Sensationail Chrome Powder in Iridescent Unicorn from Walmart for $8.88. Chrome nails can be created over either a clear nail or a base color. When chrome nails are created over a dark color such as black, you will achieve a greater chrome or mirror effect. For today's nail art design, I will be using a white base. This is the CNDSE gel polish in 11. I applied 2 coats, curing for 30 seconds each. Now I am gently pressing the chrome powder into my nail using the applicator, which made it so easy. This whole process was really easy. You just have to make sure you get around the cuticle and the sides as well as the tip of your nail. Make sure that the nail is evenly coated with the powder. I am removing excess powder with my nail brush, and it easily comes off the skin once you wash your hands. I am applying a thin coat of the Sensationail No Wipe Top Coat and curing for 30 seconds. I will be using these really cute iridescent opal stones from either Wish or Cute. I have had these for a few years and I cannot find a link to these anywhere, so I'm not sure where I purchased them from, but I'm pretty sure it was either the Wish or Cute app. I am using the Gadgets Entrepot UV LED Rhinestone glue. I am going over that glue with the Sensationail No Wipe Top Coat. My nails came out so cute. I was trying to get some footage outside, but it rained yesterday and there was overcast in the skies, so this clip has a shadow. The next one is a lot better. I love how easy it was to use this chrome kit. It's just gel polish, buff in the chrome powder, apply your top coat, and you are good to go. And I really like how these stones went with the Iridescent Unicorn shade. All of the products that I used will be listed in the description. Leave me a comment telling me what you think of this nail design. And until next time, bye loves!